Manus gave me a full design documents for $1.5, less than a coffee. Okay, maybe I also could have a coffee at the same time because he did it completely automatically. Yeah. So in episode 6, we asked Manus to give us 3 potential technical architecture to design our PPT manipulation software. We've decided to choose the PowerPoint add-on because we think that it's the most suitable one. And again, you can go and watch episode 6. There were very good reasons, and Manus explained that the 3 architecture it gave were valid, and we fell into that category of that made it a good proposal to make a PPT add-on. Yeah. So what I did was actually a mistake. I uploaded the PDF version of the architecture documents that Manus gave to me. I after realized that it was probably better to send it back the markdown version because it's full text and it will be easier to consume for the AI. Nevertheless, that didn't stop it. So here are some, here's a prompt, very simple prompt. I give very general instruction, what I want, detailed specification, test plan, various technical components that need to be developed. I explained that I choose the add-on in PPT. And then Manus started to work, reading the PDF document. That's when I realized it should have been marked down. Going down, reading the various sections of what he wrote in the other task, but it has no memory of what was done before, which is good because then I can start from there. Coming out with 3 sections, 3 arguments, a test plan, technical components, add-on, and then a summary, and that's it. So I have now a complete design document, so a specification for a Power add-on that's really well designed. So now I have the add-on specification, which are really well designed. Introduction, scope, my 3 main function, breakdown, assemble, regenerate, operating system, user interface. Very well organized, very structured. Large language models and AI are very good at having a good pattern and reproducing it in every section, not taking shortcuts, not skipping section. Core components, using VBA. Information about what you should do, internal data structure, so they are defined as a chunk of metadata. I read through it, that makes sense, that makes a lot of sense based on what we want to do. Customized property, file structure, assemble presentation. So everything is good. Now, reading through the documents, there are things that are not exactly what we want. So before we move into the next step, we'll have to go and edit this. So Manus did 90% of the work for $1.50, which is very good productivity, saved us a lot of time. If you work with agents or you work with AI in general, don't consider that they do 100% of the job. It's not possible. It will get you into trouble if you just move on to the next step, because there are some critical mistakes here and there. Not a lot, but there are critical mistakes that are going to cost you dearly in the rest of the development process. If you're in the software industry, you know that any design mistakes will cost you 10 times the time it will take you to fix it later down into the process. So we have to fix it, which means we need to go through it and then adjust the 10% that remains so that we get full benefit. So this will be a topic for a next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, come back to this playlist, and let's see what happens next time when we ask Manus to generate the code.